Hello student, today we will discuss about Python pandas. So first we will see what is Python pandas. So you already know Python is a open source software. So Python panda is a library of Python. So Python panda is a open source Python module. So what is Python pandas? Python panda is a open source Python module that make data analysis easy and effective. You already know about module. When we divide our program in different parts, then we will say it's a module. So why we create module? So that we can easily analysis our data. Is it clear? Now, development of pandas. In 2008, developer Wes McKinney started developing pandas. So now question come in mind, why we need to develop this panda. So when in need of high performance flexible tool for analysis of data so that we can access frequently our data. Students, the term panda is derived from panel data system, which is an electronic term for multidimensional structure dataset. Now we will see features of Python pandas. After creating dataset, what we can do this dataset, so we can do many things like merging, joining, visualize our data, how we can group our data, and how we can set indexing, and so many things we can do in this Python pandas library. So through Python pandas, we can read many data format. So you already know when we create data set, then we store data in our data set. So this through this panda, we can store different types of format. Maybe your data may be integer, float, and double. Next feature is column from Python data structure can be deleted or inserted. So when you create your data set, then you can insert new data set and new column, and you can also delete column. Next feature is you can easily fetch your data from MySQL database. Easy going, you can fetch your data and you can also fire your queries. Next feature is easily combine multiple data set together. Suppose you have more than data set, then you can combine multiple data sets. Next feature is easily find and fill missing data. Suppose you have lots of data in your data set, then you can easily find out and fill your missing data. Next feature is it allow us to operations to independent group within the data. So in the data set, you can apply any operation, and also you can apply operation on independent group also. Our next feature is it supports advanced time series functionality, which is the use of a model to predict future value based on previously observed value, like weather forecasting data. So weather forecasting data, we can judge when rain will come. So it's also used in Python pandas. Now we will see application of Python pandas. So where we can use Python pandas. In every field we can use these Python pandas, like economics field, any industries, recommendation system, weather forecasting. We can observe data previous value, then after predict future value. Stock prediction, any business activities, any advertisement company, analytics, natural language processing, like that. You see Alexa. Okay, you can ask question, then after it will give you answer. So you can also, where we can use pandas application, natural language processing. Neuroscience, like that. When you see sonography report, it suggests to about disease. So this machine compared to previous data and predict suggestions. And also Python pandas use in statistics data analysis, and also its use in data science field. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.